That guy killed it.
We love you guys. Thank you for coming.
Alright, I noticed there's a little bit of pitting. This next song is about that. Well, a specific shape of pitting. It's called the... No, not the square. The circle.
You want to do it?
It's called the octagon rectangle.
Yeah.
Fucking.
So if you guys can start a rhombus pit for us for this song, that'd be fucking sweet.
Hey, all you people in the back, bring it in a little bit. Come on, let's party.
And if you're outside,
I know you know what a rhombus pit is, right? You gonna start a rhombus pit? Yeah, parallelogram pit.
Can we talk about
Ooh, that starts with a P.
Hey, man, whatever. We're all here to have a good time. If the pit's not their time, fuck it.
Fucking everybody's outside, come inside. We have a better time when people are right fucking here partying with us.
Yeah, we have a better time, but it's not all about you, Jim.
No, it's not. But the more that you guys have fun, the more that we have fun.
All right. You're right. He's right. You're right. He's right.
Fuck yeah.
All right, let's do this shit.
It's called the circle.
Appreciate the energy. We try to match it, but we're old as fuck now.
Special thanks to Dennis.
Yeah, fuck yeah, man.
All the staff here at Altaris. Thanks for having us once again. We fucking love this place. Thank all of you for coming out so much. Thank you. It means a lot.
Thank you, Scott, for playing the drums.
Tip your bartender.
Where's the one guy?
Let's keep the party going. Yeah. Or whatever people say.
We did a video for